To open a Bank of Baroda student account, follow these simple steps. First, gather the necessary documents, which typically include a valid student identity card, address proof, and a passport-sized photograph. Next, visit the nearest Bank of Baroda branch and ask for the student account opening form. Fill the form carefully and accurately, providing all the required details. Once the form is filled, submit it to the bank officials along with the necessary documents. The bank will then verify the documents and process the account opening request. After the verification process, the bank will provide you with a welcome kit containing a passbook, debit card, and other relevant documents. Key concepts to keep in mind include maintaining a minimum balance, using the debit card responsibly, and monitoring account transactions regularly. Practical examples of benefits of having a Bank of Baroda student account include easy access to funds, simplified fee payment process, and opportunities to learn about personal finance management. Best practices include keeping the account details confidential, reporting any suspicious transactions immediately, and regularly updating account information. By following these steps and guidelines, students can easily open and manage a Bank of Baroda student account, taking the first step towards independent financial management. The Bank of Baroda student account is designed to provide students with a convenient and secure way to manage their finances. And by understanding the account features and benefits, students can make the most of this opportunity. Overall, opening a Bank of Baroda student account is a straightforward process that can be completed with minimal documentation and effort, providing students with a valuable financial tool to support their academic journey.